Hello, my name is Dawn Unkefer, and I'm here to tell you about Anthony Morrison's program, Partner with Anthony. I have just made sales on Partner with Anthony, and I wanted to show you that. The sales happened today, April 21st, 2019, at 5:21 a.m. The Partner with Anthony program, right here. Credited $3.50 for that sale. And the next sale, I got another $3.50 for that sale as well, totaling $7 in sales. Now, that's just the beginning of the Partner with Anthony program. Because if you go, and there are other things that you can sell inside the Profit with Anthony course, like the Ambassador program. That's like a $1,500 course. Every time you make a sale, you make $750 on that. If you're a part of the Anthony Morrison Ambassador Club. And if you are in the Anthony Morrison Ambassador Club, these are all the additional things that you can sell inside of the course. Like email domination, it shows you how to dominate your inbox. And fan page domination, build, send, profit live, Morrison Insider. This is a newsletter, digital newsletter that they do every month. Recorded newsletter. Success with Anthony 3.0, Funnel Hacks, Bootcamp, Crypto Masterclass, Mastery Funnel Club. These are all different courses that are available inside the program for you to sell once you're an ambassador of Anthony Morrison, which give you a number of available things to sell. Courses coming soon. These courses will be for sale soon. Available software. Auto engage. Mobile opt-in. Fan page builder. Social leads sync. Software coming soon. So basically, anytime that you make one of these sales, you get commission on it if you're inside the ambassador program, which is awesome. There's just so many ways to make money inside the ambassador club. These are all the other things that you can sell, like build redirects. You could sell that, and that's automatically included in the program. So once I have some sales of build redirects, I'll show you that. I think those don't come in the course until like day 3 or 4. Alright, well, I just wanted to show everybody that I made sales today, April 21st, 2019, in the amount of $3.50, 2 sales, total of $7. That's monthly recurring revenue, so every month I'll be getting $7 as long as these 2 people stay on, which is really cool to keep getting recurring monthly income like that. And there are other softwares that are included with this too, like build redirects, like I had mentioned earlier, that allows you to track do tracking online with your links. And ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the big one. That you make $35 every time somebody buys that program. So you think about it, every time somebody buys ClickFunnels, you'll make $35. Which there's going to be a lot of that. Because you basically need ClickFunnels in order to run your business. So that's a good one. And also, Aweber is an autoresponder. You're going to need one of those to start email marketing. So basically, these two sales can turn into a lot more money than just $7. But they're $7 recurring monthly income. So that's pretty cool. All right. Alright, just wanted to show you that YouTube. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.